I'll be brutally honest, I have to stop and think long and hard before I use either of these. And I'm fairly certain I still make the odd mistake, which is why I ask people to check. Now, notice there are practice and practice. It's probably easier if you slightly mispronounce them, and they probably were pronounced differently when the spelling came up. So practise is like exercise. So it's something you do. So I practice writing my letters. I practice picking my nose. I don't, I'm quite good at that. I practice my tennis stroke. I certainly don't do that. So that's exercise, practise is something you do. Then we've got ice. Again, we say practice and things, but ice is a thing, isn't it? It's a noun. You put your ice in your water. So you practise. And so that would be the doctor went to his practice with a C, which is the thing. The practice of the pupil was very tedious. So if you've got the or a in front of you, it's a noun, it's a thing, you can touch it. So the practice needs ice because ice is a noun. Exercise, practise. Then we've got practice as in practise. Hope that helps. Failing that, just use a different word. Shh, I never said that.